How to make the lock screen clock bigger on iPhone, iOS 26. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the clock bigger on your iPhone lock screen using iOS 26. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So first, go to your lock screen. Once you're on the lock screen, long press anywhere on the empty space until you see the Customize button appear at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on Customize, and this will open the lock screen editor, where you can change different elements. Now, focus on the clock. You'll notice a small handle at the bottom right corner of the clock. All you have to do is long press that handle and drag it downward. As you swipe down, you'll see the clock getting bigger and bigger in real time. Just keep adjusting it until you're happy with the size. Once you've set your preferred clock size, tap Done at the top, and your changes will be saved instantly. That's it. Your lock screen clock is now bigger and much easier to read. If you want to learn more cool iOS 26 features like this, make sure to check out my iOS 26 videos, and I'll see you in the next one.